We've had a window fan failure. I hadn't used this in about a week or two because the weather was just out of control and it wasn't cooling off at night. It was still like 80 something degrees with full humidity in the middle of the night. So I've been using the air conditioners almost exclusively for the last week or two. It got nice out yesterday and it's fine again today, so I'm going back to the fans, and I went to turn this one on and it just made an awful sound. At first I thought that the blade was kind of loose on the shaft. That's what it sounded like to me. But what's happened is the tape has come off of the winding, and so the blade is just hitting the tape as it goes along. What's annoying is that these fans are such a nuisance to take apart. I have to take it all apart just to pull that piece of tape out of there, but that's what I'll do. I've been using these a lot because the windows are too small in this house for a regular box fan. And in fact, the rooms are small enough that one of the bedrooms is small enough that this does just fine in there. So, another video getting this fixed and put back into service.